This is a guide video for unboxing the e-bike BK8. Open the box and take out the e-bike. Remove all the packages. Remove the wheel protection shaft. Assemble the 16-in-1 tools with 10mm sleeve. Take out the headlight fixing screw. Install the headlight and front fender. Insert the quick release lever from right to left, then pre-tighten. Align the axle grooves to install the front wheel. Then tighten it. Fix the fender bracket on both sides with screws. Insert the riser into the head tube. Adjust and tighten the screws. Screw in the right pedal. Tighten clockwise with a number 15 open-end wrench. Install the left pedal in the opposite direction. Insert the seat tube to the depth below the safety tick mark. Tighten the quick release lever. Install the wheel reflector. Assemble the front bracket of the front reflector and install it. Install the bell. Power on and check the battery level. Please have a full charge before go.